Alright, y'all, so today we're gonna be harvesting. I went in, got me something to eat real quick, got the tractor warmed up, got me a little snack, and we're getting ready for harvest. So it's time to harvest. It's actually the first day of harvest, so alright, right there. That's all the lights. Nope, don't do that yet. Alright, I'm gonna pull this out real quick. Open that. Get that running. Then we're gonna get this tractor out. Get it running with this. There we go. Oh, there. I'm gonna actually switch tractors for this purpose. I'm gonna use another tractor. Why ain't you running? Oh, I know why. I think. Maybe not. Thought it did. Dude. Come on. Come on. Okay, there it goes. Now it'll run. I don't know what was wrong with it. Alright. We're just going to park this right here. Just so we can do this fast. I'm going to get the new tractor hooked up to it. And we'll get going. So, this will most likely be our planting tractor. But I just want to try this tractor out and make sure it's all good. So, but that tractor, A310, most likely going to be our grain tractor. So, I'm gonna pull this over here. Here we go. Pull it right here. I like this tractor. I like how the lights look. They look good. Oh, never mind. I about forgot where the header is. Wait, that's the corn header. Oh no, the other header's... Yeah, the other header's at the old house. Like the old farm. The other farm. Oh no, we gotta go. Okay, it should have enough time to warm up. Wow, this is not good. I thought it was over here. I should have been prepping. I normally do. Didn't this time though. Please, no train. Alright. Where can we go through? Oh snap, there's a train. Oh no. Go! Go! Woo! Dude. I was stressed right there. That was stressful. Alright. Right here should be the header. Yep. It's in the bushes. Daggone stuff growing out of it. Daggone, dude, there's that one entire tree in it. Luckily it came out. Alright, I don't need that. Thank you. Alright. Now let's go. So we've got a couple of things in here. It's mostly all cleaned out. Sadly, we might be... we might be selling this land. Now, I talked to a guy that's interested in this land. He said I could ride on it, do whatever. Cause, I mean, it was my riding land. I mean, we had a bunch of fun on this land. But, I mean, sometimes you gotta let stuff go, and, well, probably gonna have to do that. So, we don't really need all that other stuff over there, like all the other barns and stuff. I mean, we've got a plenty here. So, we sadly might be getting rid of that. Now, that down there is corn. Oh no, the corn. I think they both. Yeah, oh no. Dude, I hope we can get all this stuff done. Oh, this ain't good. I hope we can get all this stuff done. Cause, I mean, it just hits like that. Like, it's that fast. We might have to get somebody to come down here that owns a harvester and let me use his. Because this is not good. I've got the header, so we're fine with that. I just don't have another harvester, which I need one. I 100% need one, but I don't have one. So that ain't good. We're gonna be busy. You know, like, next few days, we're gonna be busy. Wait, ain't this stuff? Yeah. I was about to say, ain't this stuff done? Alright. Oh, header ain't hooked up. No wonder. Alright, let's go. And it's working. Nice. So, I might have to call somebody with a harvester to see if I can use it. Because this is not good. I don't have any other harvesters. I don't know nobody. Well, I do know people with harvesters, but I don't have them. So I'm gonna just have to call somebody, see if I can borrow theirs, and if I can, that'll be great. So I'll see you if I find a guy that has a harvester. Do not do that. Alright, I'll see you if I can borrow a harvester. Alright y'all, so I got some help. He's on the other field. He's working on the other field. He brought his harvester, and he's also helping me, so that's wonderful. But I'm gonna pay him, like, I don't know. I'm gonna give him something for it though. But I'm gonna finish this up, but that is gonna be it for today. If you enjoyed, let me know down in the comments, and I will see you in the next one. Peace.